Hey guys, welcome to the garage. Today I'm working on the Cybertruck. We have some really cool seat covers that we're going to install in here today. So a company called Kustom Interiors makes seat covers for the Cybertruck. Now they make them for all types of other vehicles, but they also have a set for the Cybertruck. So they sent these to us. We're going to check these out today and we're going to get these installed. These are a great option for the Cybertruck to not only protect the seats, but give it a kind of a more unique look. Here's a look at the seat covers after unboxing them. They're a black premium artificial leather with double hex accent stitching in white thread. They also have perforations in the stitching area which will help with breathability and the effectiveness of the seat heaters. These are a simple slide-on design. They're made to be installed yourself very easily. There's also no need to remove the existing seat covers. Now this is a full kit which will cover both the front and passenger seats as well as the rear bench and seat backs. Now as a reference point, here's a look at the factory Tesla Cybertruck interior, which looks nice, but these covers will provide some great protection to the factory seats. And I don't have to worry about spills or rips or my kids being too rough on the factory seats. This will provide some good protection. And the hexagon shaped stitching also will give it a very nice and premium look. Now starting with the front driver's seat, the seat back covers slip on very easily. There's a zipper that opens up to give more flexibility, and firmly pulling the cover down to the base will ensure it fits tightly against the seat back. Once the seat back is slipped down and is in place, there's plastic clips that will slip down between the seat back and the seat base, and in the rear there's straps that wrap underneath. The seat bottoms have a similar locking mechanism where it has these plastic clips that are going to slip down between the gap right here, and then we have a few straps as well here on the side. Okay, this is the front seat. Under the front here there's these two straps here. You can reach through there and secure them underneath the seat. Kind of pass-through area right here, so you can grab those straps from the front and lock them underneath, so you can see my hand right there. Now the strap on this front cushion connects from one side to the next, so I have it wrapped around this part right here, wrapped around over there, and then this flap on the back will conceal that, and that will also you can just reach underneath there. There's some few bars, few other things you can just connect those to very easily like that. All right, so this is the driver's side. That's all complete here. It will take a little time for some of these wrinkles to work out. It's just some heat and things, so we can get that to work out very easily, but it looks really nice from the back. Has a nice pocket just like the factory one does, and has a nice look to it. To know which side is the driver and which is the passenger, we look at the airbag tag. That's going to be on the outside of the seat cover, and then we simply slide these over and attach the base just like we did on the driver's side. All right, in the back seat we have the seat backs we're going to put on first. These come in 3 pieces, so each of these seat backs have their own piece. This center piece is a pull down armrest cup holder piece. Comes down with just this pull tab here on the side. As we pull the pull tab, it comes down. We're going to have a cover on this one. This just straps on these straps here, and then this also zippers on the side. So on each side of this, it zippers to the main panels here on this side and that side. And then on the backrest, this is the back side of them. There's a couple clips here. The headrest portion is built into it. So we've got a clip there, a couple clips here down on the bottom on the side to be able to secure that down. We want to make sure we get the seat belt up and over this. Same as on this side here. Now to get these bottom clips, it's helpful that we can lift up this seat bottom here, and we're able to push the clips down underneath. So the nice thing is this seat base will fold all the way up, and then we can get these clips from underneath and we can clip them on. Now for this side over here next to the seat belt, against this side, I just got a little flat bladed plastic tool just to kind of push the cover down along the side. And once that gets tucked in there, the fit's pretty good. I can get in up at the top as well on both sides. All right, this center section panel goes in like this. These straps go down around this bottom panel on the back. So we just line this up on the bottom, pull these straps around this, and then this is going to sit up to here. So now this section can move independent, and then we can also zip these, we can zip it together. All right, this is how easy it is to zip that up. I'll probably leave it zipped up because it actually helps hold this piece up when it's zipped up. So this piece is held up by the zipper. All right, I got the center section on. Now I want to put on the headrest cover. This has 2 Velcro straps. They're just going to strap on from underneath. All right, it's helpful to get this all the way up in the extended position so that way you can push down on it and it won't come down because it's locked in with this little tab right here. All right, then we can push the button here and... All right, all the seat backs are on. Now it's time to work on the seat bases. And this comes in 2 pieces because the seat actually folds up into 2 different sections. So this is the smaller piece, but I want to show you how this clips together. It's actually really easy how this installs. There's clips that connect. So the back connects to the front, and then the sides connect with 2 clips. So there's 2 on each side, so 4 clips total. Now it's helpful to be able to release the seat, lift it up like this, so that way we can slip it on. These straps have some elasticity to them, so it makes stretching them across the bottom of the seat very easy. And once it straps down, I just make sure that it's tucked in around each side of the seat, and then can move on to doing the same thing for the larger section of the seat, which straps down in a very similar way. All right, the seat covers are all installed. Overall, it's a pretty easy process. The backs here install really easily because it's just those straps onto the back. But these hexagon designs stitched into the seat bottoms and backs make it look really good. I really like the look of that. Kind of brings a different look to the interior of the Cybertruck. So guys, installation was pretty straightforward, pretty easy. It didn't take a whole lot of time. I like how easy it was to install. The material feels very good. It feels like a premium material. Doesn't look like it's going to like tear or wear out very easily. It's going to hold up. I also like how comfortable it makes the seat. The seats in the stock form are a little stiff as far as the padding is concerned, and I like this gives us a little more extra cushioning. And I've been able to put the seat heaters on. The seat heaters work just fine. You can feel the seat heat right through the the base and in the back, so there's no issues with that. It looks really good. I think that the end result looks really good. I really like the double hex stitching with the white thread. I think it kind of gives it like a really cool, like different, unique look to the interior. I also like that the seats are protected, so protected against use, spills, things like that. These are going to be a nice protection for the factory seats. This is a great upgrade for the Cybertruck. Guys, big shout out to Kustom Interior for partnering with us with this channel, for sending these covers to us. This is a great option. I'm glad that I have these on there. Guys, check out the link down below. Be sure to hit that thumbs up button, subscribe to the channel, and we'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.